There are 3 steps that you should take right now if you want to start your Airbnb business. There's stuff that you can do today, considering the fact that in a few days, you'll be trying to pick up your first Airbnb property. And number 1 is quick and easy. You need to start your business, form an LLC. This matters if you're renting, arbitrage, co-hosting, all of them need a business. So you can file this on your Secretary of State website. It is actually that easy. But if you're in a state that's not really business friendly like California, I do recommend that you form one in, say, Nevada or Delaware. Other states that are more normal, you can form a local one. And the good thing about forming locally on your own through your Secretary of State website is you can get your documents right away electronically. So you take those documents, the articles of formation, and then you can go to the irs.gov website, file for your EIN electronically, get that right away. Then you can go to the Dun & Bradstreet number, file for your Dun & Bradstreet number, and state that you may become a government grantee. It's possible. If you ever do work with people who need houses, the government may actually give you a grant. So choose that option, you get a D&B number right away. Now you can go to the bank and start a business bank account. Next thing you should do as far as forming your business is get a business phone number, any T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever, and just tie it to a physical address that is your business location for your Google business. And then go to Seton, SETON.com. And then buy about $50 of no smoking signs or other supplies that you know that you're going to need. I recommend no smoking signs because you will need them. And then file what's called a net 10. When you go to checkout, they give you the option to pay within 10 days. Then the very next day, pay it, okay? And now you have your first trade line. You can start searching for other trade lines later. That's number 1 for your business. Second is you need to do market research. You need to do competitor research, which of course I teach on this YouTube channel. The thing is if you're gonna pick up a property, you need to know what size properties will perform well in your target market. You need to know what those the competing properties are doing, how are their photos, how are their descriptions, what kind of money they're making. Of course, like I said, I teach this all. But then you also need to check to make sure the markets that you like to host in actually are suitable for hosting. So you might do studios, you might do houses. Certain neighborhoods will do better than others, and that's why you need to do this market research. And then third, you need to study sales. The art of persuasion is so important, especially if you do rental arbitrage just like me, because you're talking buildings, apartment complexes, which I specialize in, and then single family homeowners, which are just as easy to pitch. You're pitching them on doing something that they did not originally plan to do with their property. So you find some sales influencers online, and of course, watch the videos that I talk about, like the pitch points that I have for my landlords, my sales techniques that I have for my landlords. And then join my Facebook group, the Hosts of Airbnb Automated. There's like 20,000 plus hosts that follow my methods to pick up properties. And you can ask them, for tips, how it would work. And of course, I'm actually on that group too. So tag me if you have a question. And of course, as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.